Hello YouTube. Good morning guys. Hello. So appeal hek long up. Yo ni PC dak pet long bi ma. Athe pini ni difudam ji. Difudam mane athe ke hala parcel chana mi Flipkart penangle. So I am ready to go. Non ke 5 6 upward lo. La pen non lai chi thick at pen. La pen nijer polong dam la bijurong purple. Phone an call switch off. So I da prime puni tum di fulong. So la pen please tengeri subscribe. La so subscribe elong doni sik sakse yo. Stabe please ancap elo subscribe ek tha. Ni channel lo Genu Moto Vlogs po. Nona kimi si kholi thulo la so pa. La si copy si do la start pan de bye. So see you on dopo hai one hai de amane ma excited to lang nek lo first time lo difudami with my bike. Okay, so see and watch. Okay. welcome to Jinu Moto Vlogs. Oh, finally I reached my home. Today it's so amazing. Ooh, it's to tell you, I love KTM, man. Today I pick up the 141, I think. It's too hot. It's too hot, man. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, Jinu Moto Vlogs. Oh my god. Siap ke? Hello guys, I will show you something. I got my parcel. Yay! So do you want to see? If you want to see, then you can watch till the end. So सब्सक्राइब करो भाई, सब्सक्राइब करो. जिनू तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ लेके आएगा. So guys, please like, subscribe, and अभी देख लो. Oh yeah. So keep on watching guys, and take care. Bye bye. Bos.